So you just unboxed your high frequency headphones and you're trying to figure out how to use them. Well, I'm Jay, the founder and CEO of High Frequency Highway Inc. and the creator of high frequency headphones. So I wanted to give a demonstration and show you the best use cases and the best ways to use your new device. So it starts off pretty easy. You press this power button right here, and I like to put it on my ear first. So it basically goes in front of your ear on the bone, just like this. You hold the button for 2 seconds, it says power on. Now once you have your device on, you want to go to your settings, your regular settings on your phone. Go to Bluetooth, click on HFH V1, and it'll say connected. Now, once that step is done, you open up the High Frequency Highway app. So this is an app that syncs up with the headphones to be able to generate the frequencies, sounds, and meditations you desire. So I like to start off with one of the soundscapes. One of my favorite is the Love soundscape, but if you scroll down here, you can see the different categories, the options. Binaural is also a great one to use with the headphones. So after you started playing a soundscape and you can hear it, you can then select, let's see if we can put this in focus, there we go. You can then select one of the actual frequencies on the home screen to start feeling the vibes. So this is an alpha state. It's literally vibrating the headphones at 222 hertz per second and 213 hertz per second on the right ear. So this is a quick, easy setup on how to use your headphones. And if you actually click on this library icon here, it opens up the frequency library. The top ones are the most popular. So whether you want to hit a lucid dream state, you can do that. Or if you want to tap into the Schumann resonance, there's frequencies for that as well. So this is the power of high frequency headphones. I'm literally feeling my brainwave shift as we speak. It's something called brainwave entrainment, where the frequencies themselves are actually entraining your brain to enter into certain states. So if you have a sound playing and a frequency playing, if you press the button that's under the headphone itself, the transducer here, it'll actually stop the frequency, and you can also play it with that same button. So that's one quick hack that you can use the headphones for. If you want to just stop the vibration for a bit, you can easily start and stop it with a click of a button. So let's talk about the other things that come in your package. You can also put in these earplugs. Let's say you're in a noisy environment or you want to get into a really deep meditative state. Putting these in your ear blocks your ear canal, so that way you only hear the vibration and frequency and you don't hear your outside environment, which is really good, especially if you're in a noisy environment. And then the next is the charger. So it comes with this magnetic sort of charger that plugs into the inside here. It'll let you know, the magnetic pool will show you which way is the proper way to do it. And then the inside, there's this Easter egg showing off the high frequency headphones and made with love. So this is a quick, easy tutorial on how to start, pair, and start using your high frequency headphones. If you are part of our early users, our pre-orders, we've actually provided everyone a promo code. So if you go into the menu, which is basically the settings icon, click promo code and type in your code and redeem. I've emailed everyone their code so far. If you haven't got your code, just email me at ceo@highfrequencyhighway.com. And then also, once your device is connected, it'll actually show in your menu as well. So if you go to headphones, You will see the device, you will see what version you're on. You can choose to disconnect, reconnect, things of that nature. So we want to make it extremely easy so anyone from age 18 to 80 can actually get the most use out of their headphones. So once you're actually a premium user, you can go into the High Frequency Highway app and generate any frequency you can possibly imagine down to the literal decimal. And yes, each decimal matters when you're talking about frequency vibration. Like, you can see the difference between a 0.8 frequency versus a 0.1 frequency and things of that nature. So really excited to see how people use the device, what different use cases people can discover from using different frequencies and different overlays. I'm so excited to get this out into the market. And if you're watching this video in 2025, you're extremely early. The power of frequency is nothing but rising. There's new case studies dropping every month. So make sure you follow our Instagram, TikTok, YouTube to stay up to date with all the facts about frequency and to get the best use out of the app and our headphones. Peace for now.